Hi, I'm Mace with the Barefoot Masters, and I'm here with Monica Miller, and we're shooting a new video for Seated Ashiatsu. So I'm going to let Monica tell you a little bit about it.
Hi, so I came up with the seated routine for people who are really interested in taking time off their hands and using their feet. And so what we do is we do an entire hour routine using just a stool. So if you have some hesitation about learning Ashi because of getting on the table, installing the bars, maybe your office is limited or maybe you're a mobile-only business, this is great because you can take the stool anywhere with you. You can do 50 to 60 minutes of your hour massage, hands-free, anterior, posterior, and it's completely transportable, and it's a great way to introduce yourself to Ashi just using a bar stool.
Interested in finding classes near you? Check out our website. If you want to see more, subscribe.